Welcome. In this video I'll show you how to add text in Clipchamp. Alright, it is pretty easy to do. Start by going to the left pane right here. As you can see, text is available. Just click on it. On here you're going to want to find your preferred text style. If you want to see all the text styles, just go ahead and click on see all right here. Alright, click on it and you'll be able to see all the text styles available. Alright, let's say for example I wanted to add this one right here, which is creator. You can either click on the plus sign and it will automatically add in your timeline, or just drag it right here, as you can see. Now to edit the text, just go ahead and go to the right pane, which is right here, and click on text. All right, click on it and you'll be able to change the font right here, add a font style, also the size. All right, you can also use this one right here. Now if you go to advanced, right here you can go ahead and change the line height and the letter spacing. Now when we go to this corner right here, in the three dots, click on it. You'll see alignment, font style, position, order, and rotation. You can go ahead and click on more options to see more options, which is right here. Now to edit this text, just click on this one right here. All right, and hit on delete. It will be editable when you can see that it is highlighted right here. Hit on backspace or delete on your keyboard and add in the text that you want. For example, sample of text. All right. Let's say, for example, we wanted to pick colors right here. The available colors would be just black and white for this particular style. All right. If you try another style right here, for example, this one, the bubble, I'm going to add it in right here. Click on it. Then I'm going to change the color right here. All right. Two colors as well. If you want to add in your text, your own text right here, you can change the color and anything you want. Click on color. And as you can see, you have a ton of options right here, and you can use the color wheel as well. All right, pick your font style. Go ahead and select your font style right here. School bell would be. That's basically it. If you want to copy the same text style, right click on the text right here on your timeline, hit on copy, then move it, press Ctrl V, and it will be copied with the same text. All right, that's basically how you edit the text or add text in Clipchamp. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.